If you have been looking for an AI platform that helps developers integrate powerful AI models into apps quickly, then you have probably come across Kie.ai. But is it actually worth using in 2026? And who is it really for? In this video, I will cover what Kie.ai is, its main features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's the right AI platform for you. And for now, let's get into it. What is Kie.ai? Kie.ai is an AI API platform that gives developers access to multiple AI models and tools through one service. Instead of using separate providers for image generation, video generation, audio, or language models, Kai.ai tries to combine everything into a single platform. It mainly focuses on AI image generation, AI video generation, audio and speech tools, large language model APIs, developer integrations. So the main idea here is convenience. You get one dashboard and one API system instead of managing several different AI services. Main features. Multiple AI models in one place. One of Kai's.ai's biggest advantages is that it supports different AI models and tools under one platform. Depending on the service, you can access text generation models, AI image tools, video creation models, voice and speech features. This is useful for developers building AI apps because they do not need separate accounts for every tool. API access. Kai.ai is mainly built for developers. It provides API access so users can connect AI tools directly into websites, apps, automation systems, SaaS platforms. So if you know basic coding, integration is fairly straightforward. AI video generation. This is one of the more popular parts of the platform. Kai.ai supports access to AI video models that can generate short videos from prompts or images. This is useful for content creators, marketing teams, social media clips, prototype animations. The quality depends on the model you are using, but overall it's competitive with many newer AI video platforms. Developer friendly dashboard. The dashboard is relatively simple and easy to navigate. You can manage API keys, track usage, monitor credits, test requests. For developers, this saves time compared to setting up everything manually. Pricing. Kai.ai usually works on a credit or usage based system. That means smaller projects can stay relatively affordable, heavy AI usage can become expensive quickly. Pricing will depend on which AI model you use, the amount of requests, video or image generation volume. For casual users, it may feel a bit developer focused, but for startups or SaaS builders, the pricing structure can make more sense. Pros. Good things about Kai.ai: multiple AI services in one platform, useful for developers and startups, supports modern AI video and image models, API integrations are fairly simple, saves time managing different AI providers. Cons. Things you should know before using it. Not ideal for complete beginners. Some advanced tools require technical knowledge. Usage costs can increase fast. Performance depends on the AI model being used. Some competitors may offer better specialized tools. So while Kai.ai is convenient, it may not always be the absolute best option in every category. Who should use Kai.ai? Kie.ai is best for developers, AI startups, SaaS builders, automation projects, businesses testing multiple AI tools. If you just want a simple AI app for casual use, platforms like ChatGPT, Canva AI, or dedicated image tools may be easier. But if you need flexible APIs and multiple AI capabilities in one place, Kai.ai becomes much more interesting. Final verdict and conclusion. So is Sky.ai worth it? I would say yes, especially for developers who want access to multiple AI tools without managing several platforms. Its biggest strength is convenience and API flexibility. However, it's not really built for casual users, and costs can grow depending on how heavily you use the platform. Overall, Kai.ai is a solid option for AI development projects, especially if you want image, video, and language AI tools all in one ecosystem. And that's it for Kai's.ai review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.